You can't do what I did. There's no enemy for you to march on. You're too cowardly anyway. The only one you can march on is your habits, then you're noble. Your lacks, then you're noble. Filling your mind with knowledge instead of superstition. Filling your minds with unlimited thought instead of codes of laws. Stop trying to be like other people and be that which you've never seen. Be immortal instead of mortal. But sitting for 7 years changed me forever. It changed me because it was my time to change. In school, you are being taught same things I learned, but in a different fashion. How many good times do you get to miss? A lot. How many times are you with me that you regret being here, that you could have been somewhere else enjoying yourself? You've done that a lot. And so yes, you're right. It is hard. But only the great ones live through this to be able to pick and choose incarnations. And this distinguished and honorable group, knows about the law of reincarnation. And the first thing they want to do is disconnect it from the wheel of life, from the predictable wheel of life, so that they're not ensnared into another group law.